given that distance d varies directly as the speed s of a car, d equals to 140 when x equals to 35. Find A, the relationship between d and x. B, the value of x when d equals to 176. So let's solve the first part of the problem. Solution. For the solution, A, we need to interpret this. D varies directly as speed x. It means that what? Interpreting this, look at. D varies directly as what? Speed x. So we have this. Now, we have D varies directly. This is the mathematical representation of that. Now, we need to change this from this symbol to by introducing the equality symbol and the constant of proportionality. D equals to what? Kx. So we have the D equals to Kx. Now, since we're having D equals to Ks now we go to the second statement. D equals to 140 when x equals to what? 35. So what does that mean? Anyway, we see D, we put what? 140. Now, where we have x, we also put what? 35. We put 35. Now, it means that we have what? 140 is equal to what? 35k. That is k times 35 is 35k. So the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by what? By 35. Let's divide both sides by 35. 35. Dividing both sides, what do we have? 35 here 1, 35 here 1. Now, how many 35 do we have in 140? We have 4. 35 here 1, 35 here 4. So it means that k equals to 4. The value of k is 4. Now, we go back to the initial equation to get the actual relationship between d and x. So d will be equals to what? Anywhere we see k, we replace it with what? 4. So we have d equals to 4s. So this is the solution to the first part of the question. The first part is asking us to find the relationship between d and x. And the relationship is what? D equals to 4s. Now let's go to B. For the B part, the value of x when d equals to 176. We have to find the value of x. So this is what we are going to do. We are given d equals to what? 176. Then we need to find the value of x. I'll put question mark, meaning I want to look for x. Now, anywhere I see d, what will I do from here? I'll put 176. That is from here. 176 is equal to what? 4x. So the next thing for us to do is to find s, because that's what we are looking for. So what do we need to do? We divide both sides by what? By 4. So we have 176 divided by 4 is equal to what? 4x divided by 4. So 4 here 1, 4 here 1. Now 176 divided by 4, what are we going to have? So this is equal to x. 176 divided by 4. 17 divided by 4. What do we have? We have 4. Because 4 times 4 is 16. Now, we carry 1. We are going to take that 1 and add it to the next 16. So what do we have? To the next 6. So we have 16. 16 divided by 4. What are we having? We also have 4. So, at the end, it means that x equals to what? 44. And look at the question. Find the value of x when d equals to 176. So the value of x when d equals to 176, s equals to what? 44. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.